So I put it on the back of my hand a little bit, and I would like to put some colour on my face. Hello everyone, it's Billy. Welcome or welcome back to my channel where I test in affordable beauty products or drugstore beauty products. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button below and I will keep you updates every week. And today's video is going to be no makeup look using affordable products. I know that a lot of you guys have been asking me about this look, and the reason that I didn't pick it up and create this look because it's not that easy. But yes, today I finally sit down and create this look for you. If you guys would like to know how I create this look, please keep on watching. For no makeup look, I like to start with my face first, and as you can see, I have a little bit of blemishes and some scar, and sometimes I do have a dark circle. That's why I'd like to start with my face first and focus on it. So I'm going to start with my concealer first because no makeup look, I just want to make my skin look beautiful without cakey. So yes, of course, I'm going to start with concealer first, and this one is Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So I still need some more coverage, but I'm going to put a foundation. This is Maybelline Fit Me foundation, but I'm going to put just like a little bit. So this is my tip for me. First of all, I'm going to put the foundation on the back of my hand. Oh, that is too much. I'm going to put foundation on the back of my hand. So I put it on the back of my hand a little bit, and I'm going to dab the foundation brush, and this is from Real Technique, just dab like that to make the products sink into the brush. And then I'm going to put a little bit of coverage on my face. It will give you more coverage but still kind of like not make it too cakey. Now my skin look a little bit better now, and I would like to put some colour on my face, and I'm going to use Benefit. This one is Rose Tinted Lips and Cheek Stain. I'm going to put this one on my cheek and my lips. My face got a little bit of colour. I'm going to set everything using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finish Powder. Moving on to my favorite part, and that is my eyebrows. So today I'm not going to do my eyebrows off camera because I would like to show you, and I literally just finally used them, and I'm pretty sure maybe some of you already know about that, but this one maybe just some of you don't know about it. So I'm going to use a Schwarzkopf. This one is just kind of like glue, what does it call, to, you know, make your hair be in the right place. I'm sorry, I am not really good with explanation, but this one, so it's just like a tiny bit of this one, and you have to have a spoolie brush. All I have to do is just like you know, spray the mineral into a spoolie brush like that to make a little bit wet, and then I'm going to use just a tiny bit of this glue, just like tiny bit, and wait for like a few seconds to make it dry a little bit, and put it on my eyebrow, and it's going to be like up like that. Okay, I would like to zoom into you guys and you will know what I mean. Can you see my eyebrows? So yes, I know it's like too much. You could like, when it's a little bit dry, you could be like that. and make it like still more natural and make your eyebrow look really cool. So after everything dry and set, I'm going to use brow powder. This one is Anastasia Beverly Hills Duo Brown Powder. The last step for my eyebrow is going to be Collection incrediBROW Tinted Brown Mascara, and for my contour and highlight, as always, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Roxy Contour and Highlight Palette, and I will be right back. I'm going to put a little bit of mascara, and today I'm going to use Revlon Ultimate Mascara. To add more colour on my cheek, I'm going to use L'Oreal Le Bear brush in number 8. I literally just realised it has this smells as well. And that does smell nice. It's like, I can't explain it, but it's, oh god, I literally just see myself. I put it too much, but I'm going to fix it, don't worry. But the smell is like a classic perfume, and I quite like it. Finally, last step for my lips, I'm going to just use only lip balm. This one is from The Body Shop, and this one is Bone Lippy in Strawberry. And the smell, so good. I love it. I want to eat it. It's just like a candy strawberry sort of things, and I think it had the colour a little bit. I quite like it. This one, I use it quite a lot, and lucky me, I bought this one when it's on promotion, which is like buy one get one free. And that is my no makeup look using affordable products or drugstore beauty products. If you have any ideas video, or if you have any products that you want me to test, you can leave the comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video. Bye!